In back in Bromley, sandstone, loads of it, front and back. Good day. Well, let's hope it's a good day. You never know with these things; it could go tits up. But it's all good. Of course, it's pre-motor day. Early doors, straight in. Let's spin you around and show you what the setup is. I've actually got to come through the next door neighbour's garden into their garden because I didn't want to run the hoses through the house. Because they sort of vibrate, they can leave marks on floors and carpet, so I'm going to do it this way. Right, let's spin you around and show you what we've got. Right, let's have a look, show you what we got. Then we have to move that and have a little dance. Have a little dance with the box, bring that round. Dirty Indian sandstone. Yeah, someone did the concrete. Someone tried to do the jointing with concrete, but they left half of it on the sandstone. So this is what I'm talking about, gap. Through the neighbours, down the path. I'm going to put some, they've just had this sandstone laid, so I'm going to put some tarpaulin down. Come out to the front, more sandstone. Lovely jubbly. There we go, it's filthy, but hopefully the old flat surface cleaner and a bit of hypo work its magic, and we'll have the colours coming back out of this like new. So see you soon. Subscribe, like, thumbs up. Let's get me on the algorithm. I want 350 now. I want 342. Right, here's the front, all washed down. I'll go and show you the back in a minute. I'm doing this in 2 bits. Acco drains, filthy. But it's looking a lot better. Jointing's better out here than it is in the back. Oh my God, the back was not good. I'm gonna have to tell them to get someone around to rejoint it, but all the mould, all the black spot all gone down here. There's loads of it around here. That's not black spot, that's a fossil. But there you go, all clean. Let's do round the back now. Right, here's the back. All done. Jointing needs doing. I'm going to tell the customer jointing needs doing, but it looks a lot better than what when I first walked out here. A lot of the black spots gone. God, I had it on zoom. No wonder I couldn't see nothing. There we go. There we go. There we go.